Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to use some Dollar Tree metal cutouts, and we're going to paint these and use these to display magnets that I make at a craft fair. So anytime I'm going to paint metal, I have to clean it off, and what I use is denatured alcohol is what I've got, so that works well. That's just going to clean residue off the metal so that the paint will stick. Then once we get that, wipe that off, we're going to let it dry probably about 5 minutes. And then I've got some interior latex paint. We're going to paint these and see what they look like. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, and now we're going to paint these. Couldn't find my small rollers, so we're just going to roll these on. Like I said, it's for a craft show, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And then what I like to do, I use these. They hold the piece you're painting or staining. They have a little tip. You can get those at Dollar Tree really cheap as well. So if this was the side you wanted to not to be on the back side, you would do it first, and then the side you want to be pretty or showing is the one you paint last. That way, those dots, you might possibly have a dot, a little imperfection in the finish based on those little stands. Paint your fingerprints over. All right, now we're going to let that dry, and we'll put some jute twine back in the holes to hang it up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Hey guys, so the paint dried about half an hour. It's dry to the touch. I just used some of that jute twine from Dollar Tree, and these are the magnets stuck to it. I'll have magnets on both sides, and I'm gonna laser cut a price on it. I think for $1.25 for this and some old leftover paint, and I already had the twine, that's a great display at a craft fair. Let me know your thoughts, and if you've ever had a magnet display at a craft show, send me a picture. Thanks for watching.